Hi everyone, Alex Filvet is here, and this is my 13th video about my new personal project. So it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe, and right now I want to tell you about decals on this example here. So to be honest, this area on the rocket and this one, they are the same. But still you can see that they are kind of different because I used decal here. And the same on this wall element, so this element is decal. And even this sleek, by the way, it is also decal. And this sign, and here, and here, and here. So even if we have some tileable or trim textures, it means that our wall has the same texture and here and here and here, but still we can add some variation, some unique elements just by using decals. That's why this area is different from this one. And in the same way we can add variation, like we can add some leaks, dirt, and so on. So yeah, thank you guys and have a good one.